keep on saying, boy, let's get it. So you know I'ma go get it. Let's go, boys! Niggas scared, they ain't trying to get it. They 300K, baby! You ain't getting up and grinding every single day. What the hell are you doing?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna get started. Yes sir. A little bit of hype mode.
Yeah, I look a mess. Today, we have added to the board an extra $225. We just finished doing the gutter cleaning, so that puts $225 onto the board.
This job is a total of 200 bucks. So we're gonna add that to the list. Alright y'all, so see those gutters right there? Super clogged with leaves. I'm gonna go ahead and clear this out.
Today we are actually at this property in Winter Park. We are doing a gutter inside cleaning. If you ever wonder why your gutters are not draining, this is probably why. From the bottom, you can't really tell if it's filled. But when you come up inside, you can see that it's filled. So if you guys need your gutters inside cleaned or outside or both, please contact us down below. I got the gutters draining out now, making sure everything comes out. As you can see, it's all down there now. If you ever need any gutter cleaning, call us. We do it for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Woo-wee. Come on now. Book us today. We'll get you right. All that water coming out there.
All done. 45 minutes. Gonna get some video.
YouTube, what's up? Yo, YouTube! Yo, YouTube! YouTube. This kid, this young man inspires me every day to get it and keep going. Just watch him. His growth is crazy. You're gonna love it.
We got 45 minutes finished. Back down. Ladders down. I'm about to just pick up these, blow everything on the bottom, and get out of here. Let's do it. We finished that up. You already seen that. Now we are getting some quotes. Door knocking with same flyers from yesterday as they're flying away from me. Alright, got another quote, guys. Pressure washing, sanding, and sealing this little small area, and a little bit of re-level over there. Let's do it. Business cards, flyers. Just got done with the gutters.
We're still going, man. We're almost there. We're far from there. Go ahead. Tune in. There's more to come.